The day my father Odin banished me from Asgard, I was bitten by a vampire and had radioactive waste dumped into my eyes. To make matters worse, my mutant ability to control weather activated just as I was hit by a blast of gamma radiation. Nah, actually I got this way by volunteering for the Weapon X program. They promised to cure my cancer, and they cured it all right.
Magneto! Welcome to Die! Hey, I frickin' love Street Fighter! Autograph your spleen for me? Hey! Yeah, you! I'm down here busting my ass while you sit on yours watching me jump around? How is that fair? You were recording that, weren't you, player? No? What do you mean you weren't recording that?
He says that rock is special. He says it came from the sky.
Ah, all those other heroes are too ugly. Pick me! Deadpool.
Hey everybody, Deadpool just showed up. Hello, non-player character.
Dang, Skippy! Where are my manners? Introductions! Call me Deadpool. It rhymes with no school. Too cool, ain't no fool, and I'm the best that there is at what I do. Cool. Moving on!